Flushable Biodegradable Cloth Diaper Liner by Bumkins is one of the best sellers among diaper liners products. Biodegradable and flushable *. Bumkins soft flushable diaper liners are the easiest cleanup solution for soiled diapers. Compatible with any cloth diapering system, these liners provide added convenience and stain protection to any cloth diapering routine. How to use. Simply place liner on the inside of a clean diaper before placing the diaper on the baby. During diaper changes, lift the liner containing the waste out of the diaper and dispose of it in the toilet * or trash receptacle. * Not recommended for septic tanks. Know your toilet, new from Bumkins. Simply place liner on diaper, and when soiled, just flush liner down the toilet. Not recommended for septic systems. Know your toilet. Average user will go through 4, 6, 100 packs per month. 100% biodegradable and flushable. Easiest cleanup solution. Cloth-like but flushable.